Hey guys! This time we visited Totoro Clean Park Studio, which is located Shimokitazawa, Tokyo. It's a very popular store for Totoro's fans. Sergio deeply recognizes it officially. So let's go with us!
カスタードクリーム1つとピーチクリーム1つかしこまりました。はい、ありがとうございます。わかりました。
They sell cookies as well as cream puffs. Everything looks so pretty and tasty. Today, the weather was nice. We saw the Mount Fuji. Look at the red flowers. It is called Higamana. It blooms for about 10 days from the end of summer to autumn, signaling the arrival of autumn. It has long been known as the flower of autumn and is a very interesting and rare flower that signals the arrival of the season. At the time of the year, which is called Ohigan, Japanese people eat particular Japanese sweets. We could have eaten in the store, but we decided to eat at the park because weather is amazing. We can't wait to eat it. The cream puff is like Totoro.
ママもちょっと食べていいかい？いいよ。
どっち食べる？
これ食べたい。
いいよ。あ、持ってしていい？
ママもちょっと食べて。
ママのも食べるの？いいよ。
これ。
目から食べるの。どう？
チョコ。
美味しい？
おいしい。
美味しい？
葉っぱ食べたい。
いいよ。はいどうぞ。美味しいね。
桃がいい。
桃？美味しい？
これうめえ。
美味しい。よかったよかった。ちょっと違うんだよそっちとこっち。
桃入ってんじゃないの？本当に。
桃入ってるんじゃない？
すごい。これ桃だ。ほら。
あ、そうなんだ。どれどれ。お、本当だ。桃だね。Let's hang out at the park after dessert time. Oto-chan loves playing in the park.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Let's go home. We ride on a bicycle called Mamachari. If you live in Tokyo, I recommend electric bicycle. These bicycles are called Mamachari. They are electric and very useful to travel with children. Do you have similar kind of bicycle in your country that most of the parents are using? I will guide you about the Shimokitazawa area just a little. There are second-hand stores in Shimokitazawa area, second-hand clothing, music, art, etc. It's a town of subculture. The locals called it Shimokita in short. Surprisingly, it's one of the 50 coolest neighborhoods in the world based on Time Out Index 2019. Why don't you visit Shimokitazawa when you come to Japan? It's my recommendation. Shimokitazawa is a town of music. My husband loves music. Before the COVID pandemic, he often held DJ events in Shimokita. We are familiar with record shops, clubs, and good bars. I'm welcome to be asked a question about Shimokitazawa in the comment section. When I held Japanese cooking class for international guys in the past, I often took guys to the Shimokitazawa and introduced, and we danced and drank. I miss these days. Next, I will introduce you to a Japanese sweet for Higan Day. There was a screen of eating ohagi in the movie My Neighbor Totoro. There are 3 reasons why ohagi appeared in that movie. The day of moving to the town was on Higan Day, so they have prepared to eat at home and to share with They are never. Red beans have a meaning of getting rid of it from long time ago, so it's good for moving. Sugar was an expensive ingredient in the past, so aiming for liver with sugar in the sense of feast. The custom of sharing feast to people like neighbors in ancient Japan. I was doing a lot of research when I was making this video. I realized that rice is very difficult from country to country and making it very difficult to explain for everyone. I'm guessing that most of the countries don't have rice cooker. Maybe you are using a difficult type of rice cooker than the one I am using. What do you think? If you have any questions about rice, please feel free to ask in the comment section. This time we will introduce soybeans flour and red beans paste. Soybeans flour is called kinako in Japanese, so I will say kinako from now on. This is red beans paste. Bought one on sale at the store. Can you buy red beans in your country? It is cooked with red beans, sugar and salt. Yes, when I posted the video of Ichigo Daiku before, there was a request to how to make red beans paste because they are red beans in her country. So I will prepare another video of how to make red beans paste later. Thank you for your request. The rice is boiled now. Mix lightly, put in a bowl, and mash to make mochi. Ohagi is also known as botamochi. It's mochi. It's a difficult word from dango, rice cake, but similar. Maybe almost the same food. They are all Japanese sweets made from rice. Sprinkle kinako evenly on it. It looks like a rice ball. Cover with red beans paste to wrap the rice. When you decorate these on the plate, people cannot see the backside, so it doesn't matter whether red beans paste is not covered underneath as well. Now it's done. It looks difficult, but in reality, it is not that hard. These are how to make Japanese sweets ohagi, which is to eat on the equinoctial week. Have you enjoyed it? Ohagi is one of the most popular Japanese sweets. When you are in Japan on Ohigan week, you can easily buy Japanese sweets at supermarket and convenience store. Thank you for watching my channel. If you like it, please hit the like button and check subscribe to not miss the next video. See you! またね! Bye bye!
And you'll be with Totoro, 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 Totoro. Living in the forest trees for such a very, very long time. There will be with Totoro, 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 Totoro. You only see him when you're very young. A magical adventure for you. It's a magic for you.